So on the topic of solutions, we see many products on the market that claim to protect patient data. What are some of the most effective approaches or technologies currently available? Is there a process for classifying data that can help healthcare providers determine the best protection methods? Anybody, this question's up for grabs. Anybody can answer.
I think before we identify a solution, we should identify some kind of a, earlier Julie was saying about the governance and, all the nitty-gritty of compliance in place. But to me, the way I'm looking at is, if I have to identify a product, and if I have to write a functional requirement for a product, then I should know that what should I comply with in the first place. There has to be a framework. There has to be an architecture in place that is embedded with security, that is embedded with data classification, data analytics, data sharing, and all the nitty-gritty of data. Patient, when I say data here, it is about patient data. So we need to identify a framework, and based on the framework, you map the product features that have been around the market. People are selling so many other products. So if somebody says my product supports this, I should have a qualifying factors here so that I can compare and say it meets these criteria. So we need to put some governance and guardrails clearly defining what these products are in the context of the ever-evolving threat perceptions in the world. We have to be conscious about that and also create those as input into our framework, so that any new product that we try to purchase that says that is going to safeguard our patient information, we have to make sure that we are mapping to a tool or a architecture that tells you whether this product is ideal for you or not.
Akash,
Yeah,
sorry, go ahead.
I think one of the best things what I would mention is, in my opinion, is number one is the awareness program. That every provider should have a compliance officer in his or her office who can give the proper awareness every week. That's usually called a compliance week. I mean, most of the company, along with, my company is regularly following the compliance week. This way we can give the proper awareness program to the employees that how you can protect the patient data and and what are the covered entities where you can breach out the data along with the proper, the safeguarding measures. So that's the number one solution. What I would suggest is everyone should have a compliance awareness program, compliance week, as well as a compliance officer in the office.